Hey guys, what's up? It's Mr. Hammonds. It's Wednesday afternoon, and we just had a great day of learning today. And I'm so excited to finish out this week with the kids, and looking forward to another couple great days of reading our novels and analyzing plot and characters and all of those things. But I wanted to reach out to all of you today and just give you an update about what's going on in class. I wanted to talk about any missing work that you may have, tutorial opportunities, and attendance. First and foremost, currently we are working on reading novels in class. Students were able to select novels of their own choice, and we have been working this week on analyzing characters. We worked Monday on analyzing how character decisions affect the story. Yesterday, we talked about analyzing characters and describing them with character traits. And we also talked today about analyzing character conversations. And so the purpose of that is because characters, their decisions, their discussions, all of these things influence the story. And so as students are reading, it's really important to ask them questions about the story and, hey, what did your characters do today? How did they relate to other characters in the story? What conversations did they have? How did those conversations make them feel? How did they respond? What's going to happen after that conversation? Is this conversation causing them to go and do something else, or make an important decision about something? These are all things that are important. So as your kids, remember, they're supposed to be reading 20 minutes a night. And so if you could talk to them about reading and completing that, that would be fantastic. When it comes to work, any missing work needs to be quickly completed. I'm really stressing to students that we're trying to be different than we were the first half of the year. The first half of the year, sixth grade was new. They were learning how to do things and the processes. Well, we're not there anymore. Okay, we're almost seventh graders now, and so we really have to be keeping on top of all of our work. And the only way that we're going to continue to improve as a class and as a school is if we take work seriously. And I don't ask students to do a lot of homework, and most of the time they're able to get work done during class, but reviewing that work and reviewing notes, reviewing the anchor charts I've put in Schoology, these are all important things that students really need to be doing to make sure that they're staying on top of their studies. And if we do those things, we're going to be able to make the improvements that we want to make this year. Tutorials. I offer tutorials Monday through Thursday, unless something comes up, and I will let students know. But students are welcome to come and be in my classroom from the time school ends until 4:45. And we can sit, we can work, we can review. They can ask me any questions that they have. We can look at past work. We can look at STAR questions. We can look at areas where they need to improve. And those are really valuable times, and I would highly encourage you to have your student come and be a part of tutorials in the afternoon. Okay. Finally, attendance. Attendance is really important, and I know that people have to be out for certain reasons. Okay, families have to be out for certain reasons. We need to make every effort possible to be at school every day, because it is vital to your students' education that they be here. And the only way that we are going to continue to improve and we're going to continue to make strides in being successful is being here every day and taking things seriously. And I talk to the kids very seriously about making sure that when they're in my classroom that they are working hard and doing things that need to be done. So I just want to encourage you guys to Encourage your students to give every effort to be here, and when they are here, to make sure that they are working appropriately. That's pretty much all I have for today. I really am excited about how the students are working through their novels at home, reading, talking with you about their books, reviewing notes. These are all things that are going to support them. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call up here at the school, shoot me an email, and I'd be more than happy to support you any way that I can. All right. Hope you guys have a blessed evening, and we'll talk to you later.